let's do it. We're going to get right into this, Amber, here. Rick Crosslin is here, and our science guy. What are we doing today here, Rick?
So this is the Bernoulli Principle. Daniel Bernoulli, he was born in the 1800s in the Netherlands. He's from Switzerland. He discovered that if you increase the flow of a liquid or air, it decreases the pressure.
Oh, okay.
So if you look between these two jars, if I blow through here, you would think they would shoot out the other way.
Right.
But if I increase the flow, the sky is going to push them together. We hope. Let's see if it works. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. They came together. So you increase the flow. So there's a lot of fun things we can try with this. Like if you remember in the old days when you would atomize your cologne.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, what's cologne? I'm sure. Oh, yeah.
So try this. If you blow across here, increase the flow, decrease the pressure. That should bounce up into that
Because
container.
with the speed of the air going through, it kind of
Across the
sucks
top.
it right up there. So.
We don't use the word suck in science. Partial vacuum.
Okay. Suck. Well, it sucks it right up. That's what we're going to do. Okay.
Increase the sky will push it up. I don't know if I can do this right. Let's try. You can try that one too. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Oh, I almost made it in there.
Remember, you'll probably make this one for us.
Oh.
Oh!
So
She always wins, too.
So one other thing, this is called a Bernoulli bag. Randy, you want to try this right here?
Oh, yeah.
And and Amber, if you'd hold that for me.
I got it.
And so about how many breaths do you think it'll take for me to blow this up? I mean, I got a lot of hot air.
One.
So if I go, that's not much, right?
No.
But if I use Bernoulli, back here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow real fast here, and this sky is going to fill it up, we hope. Ready?
There you go. Wow.
Oh, that's cool. So that's Bernoulli Principle. Randy, you want to try it?
Yeah, I'll do it real quick.
Okay.
Here, so.
So you got to stay back from it.
I will, yeah.
And this is where you want to increase. There you go. Go for it. And grab it. That's good. And slide it on through for the dramatic effect.
Nice!
Kind of dramatic.
Not as dramatic as yours.
So one thing is, if we make this, I'm going to use my leaf blower. You understand it pushes it up.
Yes.
But I'm going to turn it sideways because if we get the air going around it,
Okay.
the sky
Let's
should
do
keep it up.
Rick.
Let's try it.
We've
Here we
got
go.
about a minute. Let's do
Okay,
it.
here we go. Now, that's Isaac Newton, right? But if I turn it like this, that's pretty cool. You got to be impressed by that.
I love it.
The air going around it is so fast, decreased pressure, the sky holds up. Who would like the honors on the famous Bernoulli toilet paper experiment?
Randy,
of course, over
it's
here.
on
Randy's
you.
right there?
Right here. Okay.
Okay,
What do I
so
do?
All right.
if we do the same thing, put this in front here.
Okay.
We'll just let it go and let's get the air going across it. What do you think is going to happen?
It will probably stand straight out, I'm guessing.
All right, let's
so.
hold it and see what
Okay,
happens
we'll
here. Amber, you want to turn it on for us?
You bet.
Here we go.
On 3. In 1, 2, 3.
And same principle. Same principle.
Oh, that's fantastic.
A lot of fun
Like we
with
just toilet
Bernoulli.
papered the studio. There you go.
Bernoulli Principle. He was born in the 1800s, but we still use these principles all the time.
Amazing.
So fun.
Maybe we can call him
Thanks,
back to
Rick.
clean up the mess we made here. So, anyway.
Oh,
Rick,
man,
that's great.
good stuff. I love it.